Types of futures, individual commodities and indices. Hello Ayush, you are looking a bit worried. What happened?
Hi, I'm doing well. I want to start working in the commodity derivatives market, so I have been trying to learn about futures trading, but there is quite a lot to grasp.
I completely understand. For a new entrant in derivatives, it can be overwhelming. But with correct knowledge, everyone can learn this easily. I would be happy to help. For a new entrant in derivatives,
What does commodities trading on MCX mean?
the basic product of any commodity derivatives exchange is futures trading. MCX is no exception. So, when you hear about any commodity being traded on the MCX, it implies the futures of that commodity are traded.
What are the types of futures traded on MCX?
There are two broad categories. 1. Individual commodities. 2. Indices. Unlike in the stock market, where trading in index futures is more prominent, in the commodity derivatives market, trading in individual commodity futures is a much more dominant activity.
What kind of commodities can be traded?
Let us start with individual commodity futures. As we had said in earlier video lessons, MCX offers futures trading in 4 categories of commodities. 1. Bullion. 2. Base metals. 3. Energy. And 4. Agri commodities. Now, each category of commodities includes individual commodities. For example, bullion includes gold and silver. Base metals include aluminium, copper, lead, nickel, zinc, and steel rebar.
If someone wants to trade gold futures, is there just one contract?
No. Within individual commodities, there may be different futures instruments. Each futures instrument may differ in terms of trading units, which means the minimum quantity that one can trade, quality of the commodity, mode of delivery, and multiple other factors. For example, within gold, there are 5 different subcategories of futures instruments. Gold trading unit 1 kg. Gold mini trading unit 100 gram. Gold 10 trading unit 10 gram. Gold guinea trading unit 8 gram. Gold petal trading unit 1 gram.
So different categories of participants can trade in gold futures as per their requirements?
Exactly. These subcategories makes the market accessible to everyone. Please note that the commodities trading on MCX and individual futures instruments within each commodity undergo constant changes depending on market conditions and regulatory requirements. Hence, you should check the MCX website for the latest updates.
What about index futures?
Just like one trades futures on indices on the stock exchanges, there are at present 2 index futures that are traded on MCX. One, MCX Bulldex. This index is composed from the futures prices of gold and silver. 2. MCX Metal Dex. This is a base metal index composed from the futures prices of aluminium, copper, lead, and zinc.
Now I understand. Index futures helps traders trade in the entire sector.
In summary, the main types of futures and futures linked product categories you should know on MCX are bullion, base metals, energy, agri commodities, commodity indices. With this background, let us move on to understand the meaning of some basic terminologies of futures instruments.